Snacking can make or break your health goals. The right choices fuel your body, while the wrong ones lead to cravings and energy crashes. So, what should you eat, and what should you avoid? Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more nutrition tips. Now, let's break down the ultimate guide to healthy snacking, what to eat and what to skip. 1. Why healthy snacking matters for overall well-being. Snacking is often seen as a guilty pleasure, but when done right, it boosts energy, controls hunger, and supports a healthy diet. Choosing nutrient-dense snacks instead of junk food helps maintain stable blood sugar levels. This prevents energy crashes, mood swings, and unnecessary cravings throughout the day. Healthy snacking supports metabolism by keeping the body fueled between meals. It also reduces the likelihood of overeating at mealtime, leading to better portion control and weight management. Unlike processed snacks, whole foods provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. 2. The best high-protein snacks for satiety and muscle health. Protein-rich snacks are great for staying full, maintaining muscle mass, and preventing cravings. Eating protein keeps hunger hormones in check and reduces the urge for unhealthy snacking. Some of the best high-protein snack options include Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, hard-boiled eggs, and nuts. Lean meats like turkey slices or grilled chicken bites are also excellent choices. Plant-based protein sources include hummus with veggies, edamame, and roasted chickpeas. Protein bars can be convenient, but always check for hidden sugars and artificial ingredients. A high-protein smoothie with whey or plant-based protein powder is a great on-the-go option. 3. Fiber-packed snacks to improve digestion and gut health. Fiber is essential for a healthy digestive system, balanced blood sugar, and long-lasting energy. High-fiber snacks help regulate bowel movements and prevent bloating or constipation. Some of the best fiber-rich snacks include fruits like apples, pears, and berries. Vegetables such as carrot sticks, cucumber slices, and bell peppers are great low-calorie choices. Whole grains like air-popped popcorn, whole wheat crackers, and oatmeal are excellent sources of fiber. Chia seeds and flax seeds are packed with fiber and healthy fats, making them ideal for smoothies or yogurt. A handful of nuts and seeds provides both fiber and protein, promoting fullness and gut health. 4. Healthy fats. The best snacks for brain and heart health. Healthy fats are crucial for brain function, heart health, and hormone regulation. Unlike trans fats found in processed foods, good fats reduce inflammation and support overall well-being. Some of the best healthy fat snacks include avocado toast, guacamole with veggies, and olives. Nuts such as almonds, walnuts, and cashews provide heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. Seeds like chia, flax, and pumpkin seeds are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids. Dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa is a great snack option with antioxidants and healthy fats. Nut butters like almond butter or peanut butter pair well with apples or whole grain toast.
Enjoying the video? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome content.
5. The worst snacks that ruin your health. While some snacks boost health, others are loaded with sugar, unhealthy fats, and additives. Sugary snacks like candy, pastries, and soda lead to blood sugar crashes and weight gain. Processed snacks such as potato chips, flavored popcorn, and fried foods contain trans fats that harm the heart. Instant noodles and fast food are filled with sodium, artificial ingredients, and preservatives. Packaged granola bars often contain hidden sugars, making them just as bad as candy. Sugary cereals and flavored yogurts seem healthy but can have more sugar than a dessert. Store-bought fruit juices lack fiber and are packed with artificial sweeteners. 6. The best low-calorie snacks for weight loss. If weight loss is your goal, choosing low-calorie, nutrient-dense snacks is key. Some of the best low-calorie snack options include fresh fruits like watermelon, oranges, and strawberries. Vegetables with hummus offer fiber, protein, and a satisfying crunch with minimal calories. A boiled egg with a sprinkle of salt is packed with protein while keeping calories low. Cottage cheese with berries provides protein and natural sweetness without excess sugar. Popcorn is a fiber-rich, low-calorie snack option. Rice cakes with almond butter offer a balance of carbs and healthy fats without excess calories. 7. Smart snacking for energy and productivity. The right snacks can enhance mental clarity, focus, and energy levels. Instead of sugary energy drinks, opt for a banana with peanut butter for sustained energy. Green tea or black coffee provides caffeine without the sugar crash from sodas. Protein shakes with healthy fats keep energy levels stable throughout the day. Nuts and dried fruit in moderation offer a mix of protein, fiber, and natural sugars for quick energy. Greek yogurt with honey helps balance blood sugar and boost concentration. Dark chocolate with almonds provides antioxidants and brain-boosting nutrients. Hydrating foods like coconut water or watermelon help prevent dehydration-related fatigue. 8. Late-night snacking. What to eat and what to avoid. Eating late at night can disrupt sleep and digestion, but choosing the right snacks can help. Avoid caffeinated drinks, fried foods, and sugary desserts, which can cause restlessness. Instead, opt for light, protein-rich snacks like cottage cheese or a small handful of nuts. Herbal teas like chamomile or peppermint can promote relaxation and better sleep. A banana with almond butter provides magnesium and tryptophan, which aid sleep. Oatmeal with warm milk contains melatonin and helps calm the nervous system. Greek yogurt with honey supports digestion and prevents late-night hunger pangs. Avoid eating large portions as they can cause bloating or discomfort. 9. Meal prepping healthy snacks for convenience and better choices. One of the biggest reasons people choose unhealthy snacks is convenience. Processed snacks like chips, cookies, and candy are easy to grab and eat on the go, but they lack nutrients. Meal prepping healthy snacks in advance helps you make better choices and avoid junk food cravings. Start by cutting up fruits and vegetables ahead of time and storing them in airtight containers. Portion out snacks like nuts, yogurt, hummus, and homemade energy bars for quick access. Keep boiled eggs, cheese sticks, or protein shakes ready in the fridge for an easy protein boost. Making homemade trail mix without added sugars ensures a healthier alternative to store-bought options. Use small containers or Ziploc bags to pre-portion snacks, preventing overeating. 10. How to break unhealthy snacking habits and make better choices. Unhealthy snacking habits often stem from boredom, stress, or emotional eating. Recognizing triggers is the first step to making healthier choices. Instead of reaching for chips or sweets, find alternative activities like drinking water, stretching, or taking a short walk. Keep junk food out of sight and replace it with healthy options in easy-to-reach places. Swap processed snacks for wholesome alternatives like air-popped popcorn, Greek yogurt, or fresh fruit. Practice mindful eating by paying attention to hunger cues rather than eating out of habit. Drinking herbal tea or infused water can curb cravings and prevent unnecessary snacking. If you crave something crunchy, opt for nuts or raw veggies instead of potato chips. Smart snacking keeps you energized and feeling great. What's your go-to healthy snack? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on nutrition, weight loss, and healthy eating. Stay tuned for more ways to fuel your body the right way.